Hey there! Are you facing issues with setting up Apple Pay Cash and keep encountering the could not set up Apple Pay Cash Apple Pay services error? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to resolve this issue so you can start enjoying seamless transactions with Apple Pay Cash. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your compatibility. Before anything else, make sure your device and software are compatible with Apple Pay Cash. You'll need an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch with the latest iOS or watchOS update. Apple Pay Cash is available only in the United States. Two-factor authentication enabled on your Apple ID. Step 2. Enable Apple Pay Cash. If your device and software are compatible, the next step is to ensure Apple Pay Cash is enabled. Go to Settings, tap on Wallet and Apple Pay, and make sure Apple Pay Cash is turned on. This toggle should be green. If it's not, turn it on and follow any additional on-screen instructions. Step 3. Check your Apple ID. Certain Apple ID issues can prevent Apple Pay services. Certain Apple ID issues can prevent Apple Pay services from being set up correctly. Check the following. Signed in with your Apple ID. Ensure you're signed in with the correct Apple ID. Go to Settings, tap on your name, and see if you're logged into the right account. Billing info. Apple Pay Cash requires a valid payment method linked to your Apple ID. Head to Settings, your name, Payment and Shipping, and verify your billing information. Step 4. Network and device setting. Sometimes network or device settings can interfere with Apple Pay Cash setup. Check network connection. Ensure your device has a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if it resolves the issue. Restart your device. A simple reboot can resolve many minor bugs and system glitches interfering with Apple Pay Cash. Hold the power button and slide to power off, then restart your device. Step 5. Reset network setting. If none of the above solutions work, resetting your network settings could help. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on General. 3. Scroll to Reset and tap Reset Network Setting. Keep in mind this will erase saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so be sure to have them handy. Step 6. Contact Apple Support. If these steps still don't resolve the issue, it may be time to contact Apple Support. They can offer more customized assistance and work through any unusual issues with your account or device. Fixing the could not set up Apple Pay Cash Apple Pay services error doesn't have to be a frustrating experience. By ensuring your device is compatible, your settings are correct, and you have a stable internet connection, you can often resolve the issue on your own. Remember, if you're still facing challenges, Apple Support is just a call away. Now you're ready to enjoy the convenience of Apple Pay Cash with confidence. Stay secure and happy transacting.